Hey everyone, and welcome back to Nazira's Lifestyle channel. For today's video we're going to be recreating the Gamberetti recipe or dish, and it's a very simple, quick and easy recipe. If you're at home from work, come home from work and you're tired, you can really assemble this really quick and easy. Again, it's seafood based, but you could change it up, chicken or whatever you like. And very few ingredients. So without further ado, let's get into it. So for ingredients you require cheese to garnish and season. I've used Parmesan, and pasta. I've used Gigli, if I'm pronouncing that correct, bird's eye red chilies, tomatoes, ideally freshly chopped tomatoes, freshly cleaned and cut prawns. Here I've used these large prawns, tiger prawns, and basil, fresh basil. So to begin with, over here I've got on a large pot some boiling water. I'm going to add in the pasta and then just give it a stir. I've added in a little bit of oil to this water, as well as a pinch of salt to the water, and I'm just going to give this pasta a stir, pop the lid on and continue with the other elements of the dish. So to create essentially the Gamberetti sauce, I'm going to take some freshly chopped garlic, place it in a wok, add some oil to the wok, followed by the freshly cleaned and cut tiger prawns, and you can see they're very large, they're super fresh, we got them that morning. Give this a really good stir, and then you want to season with a pinch of salt and pepper. Again, this enhances the natural flavors within the prawns, and then give this a thorough stir. Then you want to add in the freshly chopped bird's eye red chilies. Give this a stir once again. Next, I'm going to add in some spring onions, and this is optional, but it's just something I chose to do. Then I'm going to add in some freshly chopped tomatoes, or tomatoes, whichever way you want to pronounce it. And I've also added in some tinned tomatoes, but again, it's optional. With this dish and with many of the dishes on our channel, you can really tailor them to whatever suits you. Cooking is so beautiful in the sense that you can really alter the dish to whatever you fancy or prefer. Then I'm going to add in some freshly chopped basil and pop the lid on. After a while, after about 10 or 15 minutes, I'm going to add in my boiled pasta. Once again, give this a thorough stir and ensure that all the ingredients are combined. The pasta is absorbing all the juices from the Gamberetti. Pop the lid on, and after about 10 or so minutes, it should be good to serve. So as you can see over here, I've begun serving up the Gamberetti on a simple plate, sorry. And yeah, I'm just going to grate some of that Parmesan cheese onto the pasta and then garnish with 2 simple basil leaves. And I've kept it very simple, very minimalistic, not to overuse the term minimalistic, but to overuse the term minimalistic. And there you have it, the Gamberetti, well, our take on the Gamberetti. We hope you really enjoyed this dish. Again, I think it's about, 5 ingredients. If you did enjoy this dish and you want to see more of our dishes, then please subscribe to our channel. Check out our other videos on our YouTube page. Like this video, give us a thumbs up if you enjoyed watching it, and comment down below. Did you enjoy this video? What else do you want to see? What other content would you like to see from us? Would you like perhaps a dessert dish next? A savory dish? Anything. We love your feedback. We love to hear from you. And until next time, see you then. Bye.